we need to do here is get all the gas right in that corner. Oh, in that corner. There we go. This is where weeds can come long term in along this edge, so you need to get a little thickening along there. Pull all that out. You can get in there with a hose and wash it out. Goes right along the edge, the whole border. Into the corners, all the roots out. If you poise them properly, you won't have a problem. Just doing it long term. All of these roots will be dead. Right along the edge there. Keep going. Pull it all back into the middle. Pull it out. You then get a hose. Get a hose and just wash all the dirt away. Wash it back this way, wash it back into there, and wash it off the brick. Wash it all off into the corner and wash it off the edge of the brick. Wash it off the edge of the brick. This is crucial for long-term no weeds. If you want long-term no weeds, it's a crucial little trick that will mean the rhizomes can't come in this corner here and along the brick. Keep going all the way along. On the brick, dig it out. Back into the middle.
When you go to Bunnings, mate, oh, did you dig that out?